Abeg, wetin be the message wey madam give abeg? I no fit talk. I no
Your
get time.
greetings, now go carry that message give you. Your greetings, now go carry that message.
Chop the message, may you swallow am.
No problem.
If you not give me the message, chop am, may you swallow am. And if madam asks me, I will tell her you didn't deliver the message.
No problem.
And bad damwa, there's no wahala.
No problem. I used to panta moi.
Rubbish.
Who
see your face? You go drop the message, abi you no go drop the message.
If you ask me the genesis of their long-standing beef, I have no idea.
You wear the squad.
Now for the meantime, oh. Now for the meantime, oh. Later now when you go see my Hollywood dream, you go beg me for these things what you do. You go beg me for everything what you do. Don't worry.
Shit.
See as one person ugly like 10 people. You carry hair wey be like dead body on before. I don't know. This cloth when you wear for trousers, so now waiting. You carry shine. What do you wear? Sir, you are from under. You were wow. I swear you were from under. Wait. I never seen you like this before. You ugly from under. Nonsense. Why this girl be like this?
Wahala no too much.